All right, bro, we broke out of the symmetrical triangle exactly as yesterday we predicted. The likelihood in a bull run to break out of a symmetrical triangle to the upside is much more likely than to the downside. It looks amazing, but I have crazy things to tell you. We will zoom in a little bit and I show you another pattern which is right now forming, and our price target, you remember, I will show you if you didn't saw the video, but I want to show you this chart. I know it looks complicated, but I will explain you. It's very easy. One chart is showing the Bitcoin price, which is going to the upside, and one chart showing the supply. Supply just means very easy. These are the people who buying Bitcoin, but moving away from exchange to their cold wallet. So somewhere where they will store it. So not on the exchange. What is the right thing? Never leave your coins on the exchange. And why is this so bullish? Because if they're moving away from the exchange where they bought their Bitcoin to a cold wallet, it means they not intend to sell in the next few weeks at least. It means if somebody want to buy Bitcoin, there's not much left on the exchange to buy. So there's nobody who's selling, and if nobody's selling, there are only people left who are buying, the price going up as you see it here. So what it means for us, it's crazy. And by the way, I have also something about altcoins, a very quick note at the end of the video, but it's very nice for my altcoin trades, which because I'm over $3.3 million long, you see some positions are getting green here. iOS and GameStop are green here. Pepper's still right now red, but also here we have Aptos green, we have Injective green, some others still red here, but I'm expecting also the other trades will be green. So now let's watch this. We broke out. Our price target of the symmetrical triangle is still here around 97k. It looks beautiful. If we're zooming in on the 5-minute chart, wait a minute, on the 15-minute, let's stay on the 50-minute. I explain you one thing for everyone who is new. Very easy. What you see here right now on the 15 minutes is that we are getting so-called bullish divergence. So this is the RSI. You see here, this is the RSI and this is the price. RSI means relative strength index. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter. What I show you is here. You see the price is going up. So you see we are creating higher lows. What is extremely bullish? We have here higher low and here higher low. So this one is higher than this one, but the RSI is going down. So we're getting higher, lower lows, as you see it here. It's lower, and it's lower. And the RSI is relative strength index. It means the strength of the market right now. So if we are over 50, it means it's overheated. So probably we will see dump. If it's under 50, if it's dumping under 50, it means we are probably oversold. So probably we will go up. And the crazy thing is this divergence. So if the price goes up, but the RSI is cooling down, it means it's bullish. There's a likelihood that we will see a pump to the upside, and also the MACD showing a green dot. Doesn't matter, just you see green dot. I can explain also MACD and so on, but you see we have two indicators who are telling us we have a bullish momentum that's supporting us in this theory in our price target that we will go to 97k. And if we're zooming in right now on the 5 minutes, so right now each candle represents 5 minutes, so here every candle represents 5 minutes, we forming another, what we are forming here, we are connecting again only the wicks we are connecting here, bam, and the lower, we are again connecting the wicks only of these candles. You see, we're connecting only the wicks. We have another symmetrical triangle. And as I said, usually 50-50 to break to the up or downside. But in the bull market, the probability that we will break it to the upside is much more likely. And in case we are breaking it to the upside, then in the immediate short term, the price target would be you measure from the first touch point to the upside to the first touch point on the downside. And then we have a price target of approximately 92k. So first, we should, in case we are breaking 91,600, first price target would be 91, or let's say 92,700 approximately, and our bigger price target on the 15 minutes is still at 97. So the bullish momentum is supported in case we are breaking down. It means, so in case we are breaking here 91,300, we could go to 90k back, which is still fine, because what's sometimes happening is sometimes we are breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, and sometimes what we are doing is we are retesting it. So it means we go up, we see consolidation, dumping down, for example, to 90, 89K to liquidate all the longs, and then see again a pump to the upside. What is here only important that we are not breaking down 89,000. This is very important because this is the support line here. We shouldn't break 89,000. This would be very bearish. This is what we don't want to see. Yes. So what is now important? I will put here alarm. You can also do it if you have TradingView, which is for free. Just type in tradingview.com. It's for free. You see here, you just put on the plus, and then you have an alert set. So if it hits 89,000, you will get an alert, and you know, oh, now it's getting dangerous. And now let's quickly speak about altcoins, because what could be bullish right now is Nvidia has at the 20th/11, so in 4 days, they have earnings report. So this Nvidia, you know, this stock company, Nvidia, which are putting the graphic cards and so on in our computers, but also they are responsible for a lot of AIs in this AI sector, because they're selling some chips, okay? And it's expected, you see the earnings here, you see they've been always beaten by the expectation. So this is the expectation, it got beaten, expectation got beaten, expectation got beaten, expectation got beaten, and right now the expectation is even higher than the previous one, which was expected and was beaten. So in 4 days we have the results, and if they got beaten again, so it will be higher than expected, then we could see a rise in the altcoin AI sector. AI, so in AI altcoins. And why I'm saying this, because if you go on CoinMarketCap, just type in CoinMarketCap, then you go here, wait a minute, you go on categories, as you see it here, categories, and then you go on AI, you see it here, AI, and then you see all the AI coins. And my prediction is, in case they beat the earnings from the forecast, which I showed you, then we could see all these AI coins pumping. Not all of them, but most of them are pumping. And I'm right now long on FED, because they had some FUD or some shitstorm, and the price dropped. And what I'm expecting, that here the price will go up. I'm with $1.5 million long on FED. Here you can see it, FED, and here FED. So I'm betting that this price will go up, but for sure Render, Tau, ICP, NIR, I'm expecting to go up. But please do your own research. This is only what I'm thinking. Tell me, what do you think about it? Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.